lecture. And what are all the types of lecture? Sometimes in a nursing, if you take lecture come demonstration, lecture come discussion, and then sometimes lecture come panel discussion, and then lecture come flip discussion, and sometimes lecture come demonstration, sometimes a guest lecturer. Why is a guest lecturer? Some of the important topic, for example, new subjects has been incorporated in nursing. Sometimes everything we may not have teachers, or we have to have experts. So during the experts are not available, you can ask the people to come as a guest lecturer. So the guest lecturer will be invited from outside. For example, forensic nursing or nursing informatics, some subjects you can call as a lecturer. Okay. What are all the main important advantages of a lecture? So the lecture method is one of the best method that you can. Time management is very good. Most of the subjects you can cover it very easily, and then so economic. Even the experts you are calling, you can spend little amount of money, and then it is really encouraging, and it is really motivating the students. And the real person, the real teacher is in front of them, and will well experienced teacher. One good lecturer is equal to more than 10 books. She can have that much knowledge. The students spending 10 hours in the library, one lecturer can give that much amount of the knowledge. So many advantages are there. She could understand the level of the students. She could understand the facial expression and the gestures, whether they understood or not. In this method we can identify. But there is a main I think not disadvantages. Maybe I will tell as a limitation. What is the main limitation? It's like the teacher is actively participating. The teacher is the mastery of the content. She is the resource person. She is the full of knowledge. Here, teacher is continuously speaking, and the students are the passive listeners. Yes, sometimes teacher is asking some few questions, but in the position where the students are only listening. Whereas if you take the other methods like BBL or inquiry based learning, or the problem based learning, or critical thinking. So the project method, the students are equally participating, and the teacher is playing the role of facilitator, or the moderator or mentor. She is playing a role. Here is the dominant role by the teacher. So what's happening? So the most of the time it's a one-sided. The teacher, the dominator method. But so many advantages are there. The good lecturer, as I told you, good voice modulation, good language, good communication, good posture. She can make them to understand very easily and identify